Hello everyone and welcome to Magic Autocad. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create and fit our doors and windows, and how to bring in from the design center, furniture, electronic devices, and also sanitary installation. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to go to the layers, drop down, and let's select doors and windows. Then we go to the line command, left click and let go. Then let's specify the first point. Upward we have, let's first go this way, upward this way we have 2 inches. Let's type in 2 inches, enter and enter again. Then upward, let me zoom out so that you can really see, it will be visible. Then we go upward, type in 7 inches, 7. You hold the shift key and press the button to enter inches, enter and enter again. Leftward, type in 1 inch, shift key, then you tap this button. Downwards, 1 inch, 1 inch. Then leftward, we type again 1 inch, 1 inch. Then we close up the line, okay, at this end point, escape. Then we go to the line command, we click here at the midpoint, pull this way, and let's type in 3 feet for a single door. 3 feet, a single door. Then enter again to activate. You click again here, and let's drag it upward and type in 3 feet. Then you enter to activate. Then now we have to make a mirror image. Okay, let's go to the mirror tool. Let's select this object, then enter midpoint, mirror image, no, to keep our object. Then from here we go to the circle, we click here at the same midpoint here, then pull it all along to these endpoints. Sorry. Okay. Then we go to the trim tool, enter, then we trim. We come in here, we trim, then we delete this line. Okay, that is our single door. Now let's do the double door. The double door, we go to the copy tool, we select this object, enter, copy from here to here, escape. Then this door measures, the double door measures 5 feet 3 inches. So we go to the line command, click on this point, 5 feet 3 inches, 5 feet 3 sorry, 3 inches. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do now is we go to the mirror tool to make a mirror image of this frame. Okay, enter and come to the center. Oh, to stabilize. Then we'll go now to the circle. We click at this center point, then we draw to the midpoint. Okay, let's draw it to the midpoint. Okay, we snap at the midpoint, we click, then we do same this other way, draw to the midpoint and we click. Okay, then we go to the line command and we snap at the intersection point. Enter again to activate. We click and we snap at intersection. Enter. Then now we'll go to the line, sorry, to the trim tool. Enter. Trim this way and this way. Now we can now delete this line. Okay, that is our double door. Now let's go to the windows. For the windows, we're just gonna do a line for the frames. Okay, so we specify the first point. Upward, we're gonna type in 7 inches. Enter and then enter again. Then left, rightwards, we're gonna type in for the double window. We're gonna take 5 feet. 5 feet. Enter again. Then we come down again by 7 inches. Okay, then escape. Then here, let's bring it down to the center point. At the center. Okay, there we are. That is. Then let's go now to the triple window. Go to line, 7 inches. And the triple window is going to be triple window 7 feet 6 inches. 7 feet 6 inches. Okay, we come down by 7 inches. Then exit the command. I centralize this line to the center. Good. So there we are. From here we are going to arrange. Then here let's go to the mirror image of this. Okay, then we make another mirror image. Sorry. Then we make another mirror image of these two. Sorry. Then we're gonna make another mirror image of this 4. Go this way. Sorry. Okay. Then let's rotate. Go to the rotate command. Then we select all of this. Then let's select our rotation point. Okay. Let's rotate it this. Oh, sorry. That's it. Okay, we'll rotate it this way. Okay. So that each door will be able to fit in without problems. We now go to the copy tool. Copy. Then let's start with the first door. We select the first door. Enter. Let's select at this point. Okay. We come here. Okay. Then we continue. Come here. Okay. Now let's go to the windows. So go to the copy tool, then select this triple window for the color. Enter. Let's select this triple window. Okay, come here. Let's place it here. Okay. Then we'll go also to the kitchen and place this triple window. Okay. Somewhere here. Okay. We come over here, place a window. Then over here to this toilet, let's place a window. And press escape. Let's rotate this window. We go to the rotate, select, copy, place it here. Okay, good. The next thing to do is to go to trim, the trim tool. Left click and let go, enter. Then let's trim. Trim here, trim here, trim the openings. Trim all the openings. Okay, this is gonna be all about doors and window fittings. So please, I hope you did enjoy the tutorial. Please, if you did enjoy, subscribe and like. Don't forget to comment on the comment box below. Thank you. See you in our next tutorial. Then delete off this.